He's just now entered after half an hour of waiting, after half an hour of also honking and being inside the car for too long. In fact, we just saw that how the escort had come outside to escort him, and he's just कट गया था.
What we're picking up from these visuals, viewers, is now after a wait for close to 30 minutes, Chirag Paswan has been allowed inside the residence premises of Pashupati Paras. He was waiting there outside the gate, honking constantly, waiting to be allowed to enter. And finally, we see him entering the gates. Sumi continues to track those live movements. Sumi, yes, tell us more. Any reaction you've been able to pick up? What does the situation look like as of now?
Yes, Christine, the moment Chirag Paswan stepped outside his car, he really kept unwell. In fact, and after keeping unwell for so long, he has come here only to get insulted in the beginning, because we saw Chirag Paswan waiting outside that particular gate for 20 odd minutes, and constantly he was honking and sitting inside disheartened and very, very sad. But after 20 long minutes, now the gate is finally open and his car is in the posh area, and in the posh area as well, there was as approximately 15 minutes of waiting, and the escort who had come outside to pick him up, he had got inside and in fact had a conversation with Pashupati Paras. After all of that, after all of the discussion happened inside, there was finally a person from the residence who had come inside and indicated him to come to take him to the residence. And after he stepped out of his car, we tried reaching out to him for a short comment. However, he was very sad and he was very, very disheartened, and he was certainly grieving about what was happening, but he didn't say a word. He was also impaired. There was a band-aid attached to his right arm, and he has gone inside, and now will begin the much-awaited conversation that was not on the card certainly, but this has happened out of the blue. Chirag Paswan was unavailable this morning. His number was switched off. He was unreachable as well. But now, out of his own schedule, he has now come, drove the car himself, and came all the way to his residence just to establish a conversation, just to clear out the confusion and also to pacify as to what is happening and to address the concerns which he hadn't been addressing for so long after his father's demise. If he had addressed all of these concerns, this day certainly would not arrive, because we had seen how 208, not one, not two, but 208 MPs of LJP had moved votes to JDU before the Bihar Legislative Assembly. That was a huge indication of the disgruntlement that was there, and a huge sense of dissent was certainly witnessed on the ground that day. But he certainly did not address any of these concerns. And now, after it is too late, he has now come to meet his uncle, also one of the trio who have been left. In fact, this morning when Pashupati Paras also spoke to the media, he was very sad about the fact that Ramvilas Paswan wanted the upliftment of the Dalit community, which is why he will keep the LJP alive. He will certainly not dismantle the LJP. But when the mantle actually went to Chirag Paswan, he could not handle it. He had a nightmarish time maintaining it, and which is why now 5 of the remaining 6 MPs, including Chirag Paswan, have turned rebel. And one of the main turncoats is certainly Pashupati Paras, who wants the replacement of Chirag Paswan as the head of the parliamentary party in Lok Sabha, which is why now they have handed over a letter to the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla also yesterday, and today they will also meet Election Commission over the same request.
Absolutely. And Sumi, if we talk about this split, this certainly is the biggest political talking point today. But this split was also in a way inevitable, isn't it? Both the nephew and the uncle were rarely in talking terms. Whatever communication happened via letters. Already Chirag Paswan had upset the JDU pretty much, especially as far as the Bihar Assembly elections are concerned, by fielding LJP candidates as against JDU candidates in almost all of the seats where JDU candidates were in fray. So certainly now Chirag Paswan also finding himself cornered from all sides.
certainly it was long impending, as we all had seen it coming, because NDA is not only allies with LJP but also is allies with NDA in the center, and which is why Chirag Paswan went all out and he actually urged Nitish Kumar, who is the head of the JDU. And after that happened before the Bihar Legislative Assembly, which is why some of the sources close to Chirag Paswan also claim that how the JDU is trying to dismantle the LJP, and this is somehow part of the conspiracy that is being witnessed on the ground. And they are not ready to accept the fact that LJP is, witnessing an unprecedented crisis right now. But sources close to Chirag Paswan also blame the JDU for what is being witnessed today. And let's not forget the kind of statements that came from Chirag Paswan before the Bihar Legislative Assembly last year. He went all out to accuse Nitish Kumar of everything that was totally uncalled for, which is why now after a lot of MPs have already jumped boat to JDU, and now 5 of them have been threatening to go rebel. In fact, they have already went rebel and they have been threatening to go to JDU, because we have seen Pashupati Paras praising Nitish Kumar left, right and center even before the Lok Sabha, even before the Legislative Assembly elections last year, when Republic Media Network reached out to him. He was all praise about, he was everything, he made comments about Nitish Kumar in a very positive manner, and he appreciated Nitish Kumar for the kind of leader that he is. And in fact, that indicated that there was a lot of a problem in LJP back then also, which went unaddressed, and which is why now this has... Now this is being witnessed by the LJP. We see the kind of insult that Chirag Paswan had witnessed this morning. He was totally unwell. In fact, he came this morning with his car. He drove the car himself, but he certainly did not do what was needed, and back when it was the right time. Now, probably it is too late. That how the day pans out, it will definitely say a lot about is there something left for Chirag Paswan to save or not. Certainly the day and the action that will come with it will tell a lot about that.